I'm at the trestle. Have a little look here. This is the spot where, along this line up here, I'll get as close as I can. But there you can see the old train line. The trains still use it too. Still an active line. And there's a couple of them here. You can see they go down there. And then there's another line just up by those birch trees. Now this one line is not used anymore. This one in particular here, this track. But that's where there's been a lot of accidents and deaths. Grandfather, I am far from the ancient bones of my ancestors, so I come to you. I place myself on the mat with you, Grandfather, so that we may communicate to try to help these spirits who have not communicated in a long time. I ask for your protectors and your animal spirits to guide us in this journey as I add mine in the mix as well. And Grandfather, I put our family stone in the middle, so all that wish to help these spirits can help these spirits. Help us, Grandfather, to achieve what we are here today to do. See ya. Okay, spirits, I left, just in case you wanted some, I left a hamburger for you over there. A nice fresh hamburger for all you good spirits, some to eat. There's also some water I poured over there. So feel free, spirits, to get the energy and enjoy it. I will leave some tobacco before I leave. Let's try some communication. We'll see what we can do here. Now, first thing I'll do is I'm going to try to buy rods, just as an introduction to the spirits that are here. So we'll see what happens. Are there any spirits here? If there is, could you move the rods, please? Thank you. Alright. Okay. Could you show me what a yes will mean? Show me what will be a yes. So crossed will be yes. Alright. Go back, please. Could you show me a no? Okay. Apart is no. Understood. Thank you. Are there any spirits here who have died along here as an accident? Yes, there are. Okay. Are there any spirits here who died because of suicide? Yes, there are. I see. Any from foul play? Yes. Alright. How about some that were just coming to town by the train and jumped? Yeah. Understood. How about some going to another town? Okay. So were there lots of deaths on this particular track? Wow, that's a definite yes. Thank you. Thank you. Now, is anyone stuck here? Yes. Would you like me to come back sometime and try to help you move on? Would you like some help? Yes, you would. Okay. Would you like to move on, or would you just... Yeah? Would you like me to come and pour water? Oh, well, that's a definite yes. Alright. My name's Danny Whitewolf. Hello, and it's nice to meet you. Yes. Okay. It's kind of chilly out here. So you would like me to come back and do a proper investigation? This is just basically a walkthrough? Yes, you would? Okay. So would I be welcome to come back? Could I bring a friend? Okay, could I bring my son? Oh, yeah? Okay. Alright, spirits, thank you for that. And I'm going to try the raptor box and give you a voice. Does that sound good? Yes? Okay, definite yes? Alright, I'll get the raptor box and give you a chance. So we're going to try the raptor box. Boy, it's still a little bit chilly out here. It's a nice night though. You can really feel a lot of energy here. Most of it feels quite peaceful. There's a bit of a feeling of hesitation and a little bit of fear, but that could be just basically the location itself. Or it could be some of the spirits are quite nervous. You know, a lot of them have never had a chance to communicate with anybody. I know that nobody's ever done it here, so. Hello, spirits. Hello, spirits. How many of you are here? $11? There's 11 spirits here? Are you trapped here? I am? Oh. Would you like help to move on? I heard one say I would. It's a beautiful area. Yep. You get to see the sleeping giant from here. Hi, Astro. Yeah, that was Astro. Yeah. You guys know Astro? Astro. Yeah. Do you know Astro? Yeah. Danny. Yep, that's me. I'm Danny White Wolf. Yep. You guys are gonna be seen by my YouTubians and my wolf pack. Is that cool? You need it? Yeah. Would you like to say hi to the wolf pack and YouTubians? Yeah, you can say hi. You can say hi to the wolf pack and YouTubians. YouTubians, yeah, very good. That was clever. Wow, did you hear that? They said YouTubians. Yeah. Right, yep, that's me. So okay, I missed what you said. You're gonna have to repeat it. So, are you guys okay? You're worried? No, you're not okay? You want to get out? Well, I'll help you when I can, okay? I can't help you today, though. I didn't bring anything to help you with. But there is food and water for energy. Okay, perfect. That's good. Yeah, so you got food and water. Water, yes. Would you like some tobacco? Perfect. Yep. You want some tobacco? Okay, I'll leave you some tobacco. I want to thank you for talking to me and taking time out to say hi to the YouTubians. Alright, spirits, I just wanted to come and do a quick daytime walkthrough. Hello, how are you? I'm sorry, I don't mean to cut you off. Go ahead. Oh, you want to talk? Okay, yeah, we can talk for a couple more minutes. Sure. Lots of love to you, spirits, and blessings and white light. Beautiful, yes. Beautiful blessings and light to you. Oh, love you too, spirits. Six? I don't know. You want me to draw it? I don't know what you want me to draw. What do you want? Gate. Oh, okay, yeah, when it's time to go, yeah. Yeah, I can make a druid sign for you if you like. Innocent? You want an innocent sign? Okay. I'll make you an innocent sign. Yes. Hi, how are you? Good, yeah, good. I'm good, thank you. You're welcome. Okay, spirits, I'm gonna let you go now. All right? All right. And I'll see you soon, okay? Maybe in a couple days I'll come back, all right? Would that be okay? That's fine? Okay, I'll come back in a couple days and we'll do some stuff, all right? Okay, blessings and love and light to all. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Bye. That's her. Okay, bye-bye. That's her. That was cute. Okay, so, yeah, this is a good place. It warrants a full investigation, so I'm going to come back and do a proper investigation here. See what we can find. There's quite a few different feelings and stuff here. So I think, yeah, I think this is going to be a good spot to come and investigate and maybe do some work with and stuff. So that's what we're going to do. Yeah. Okay, well, it's time for me to go. It's getting a little bit chilly. And we will see you all very shortly, all right? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.